right, so you want to take a plunger and rough it up a little bit with a hammer, as much or as little as you want. And then we're going to set that aside. Get you a dish or a bowl, whatever you need. And we're going to get a mop head. You want to take and undo this. I've already got one undone, but you just want to pop this off to where you have them all separate, just like this. And then we're going to pour it right over the top of these. And then just give these a good toss around. All right, now that our mop head has soaked up most of the coffee, just get you a sheet pan, and we're just going to drape these right across each one, and then we're going to pop these outside and let them dry. All right, we're going to take some of this antique waxing. I'm just going to take a little bit of it and rub it right onto our plunger stick, just giving it a more weathered look. All right, our wax is all dry on our plunger. I'm going to get those strings back from our mop that we've already done. And what we're going to do now, I'm just going to fold them in half and bring them up about that much where you have a little loop. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right there on here. And we're just going to squeeze them together and hold it right there. And we're going to continue to go all the way around. All right, now that we've done this all the way around, I'm going to take and just move them forward up a little bit. And we're going to do the same thing, just a little bit right up underneath here, just so we get full coverage. And we're going to go all the way around. Now that we have our second ring done, we're going to go ahead and do one more ring, do 3 in total. All right, now that we have all of our layers done, we want to come up here about halfway through and kind of give it a little twirl like that and stick your finger in and then just pull down. We're going to do that for each one so that they unravel. So do that all the way around. Look how cute this is looking. I love the like little different links of it in there. You can always cut around it and make it more uniform if you want, but I love this kind of look. But the last thing we need to do is just take some twine, and we're just going to wrap it around the top up here a couple of times. All right, we're just going to finish up our wrap here, and we're just going to do a dot of glue on the back to hold it in place. And we're just going to snip that right off. All right, guys, how cute is this? Look at that. This is going to be perfect for your mantle. Yeah, do some pumpkins and a little candle and a little grass. And how cute is this for a fall display?